In a world where every scroll, swipe, and tap brings a new surprise, have you ever wondered why TikTok has skyrocketed to the forefront of social media platforms? This digital stage has become the go-to for millions seeking entertainment, inspiration, and a community that dances to the beat of its own algorithm. So, if the lure of endless creativity and connection tickles your fancy, installing TikTok might just be your next best move. Here's how to effortlessly download and dive into the world of TikTok on various devices. First, grab your smartphone or tablet. Whether it's an iPhone or an Android device, the process is pleasantly straightforward. Navigate to your device's App Store, the Apple App Store for iPhone users, and Google Play Store for those on Android. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search bar. Type in TikTok and hit search. The app usually pops up as the first result, but if not, ensure you've spelled it correctly. That's TikTok. Tap on the app and then hit the Install or Get button. The download will begin, and in a matter of moments, TikTok will be ready to launch from your home screen. For desktop lovers, fear not, for your journey to TikTok is just as simple. Open your preferred web browser and go to www.tiktok.com. Here you can watch videos directly, or you can download the TikTok app for a more tailored experience. Look for the download link at the bottom of the web page or in the site's footer. Click it, and the download will start automatically. Once done, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install. To recap, whether you're on mobile or desktop, getting TikTok is a breeze. Search for TikTok in your app store or visit the website, hit download and follow the simple installation steps. Now, with TikTok installed, the world of snappy videos, viral dances, and captivating challenges awaits your exploration. Dive in, start discovering content that sparks your interest, or perhaps create something unique to share with the world. Who knows? Your video might just be the next big hit on everyone's feed. Happy TikToking!